Today we're buying, reviewing, and testing a video light kit that I found on Amazon. Today we have a video light kit that for the price I think it was the best option to buy from Amazon. In a minute I'm gonna explain why. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel, like the video to keep doing more videos like this. Let's see on Amazon what is the buy factor for this video light kit that I bought. Okay, as you can see, it's a 2-pack LED video light kit. Is right now is $46.79 and came with a tripod stand and a phone holder. As you can see in the picture, the tripod is 73 inches. But let's talk about the lights. I choose this light, or the buy factor to buy this light is actually two factors. The first factor is the size of the light. As you can see, is 10 inches by 8 inches. The full panel is 10 inches by 8 inches. And the second factor is the 2800 to 6500 dimmable photography lighting. This is the bright of the light. Okay, and the value is $46. I was searching on Amazon and I found a different others lights about the same price, like this one. This is just one light for $43, but as you can see, the size of the panel is 5 inches by 3 inches. It's a little bit bigger than a cell phone. Okay, we can find another one. This is a 3-pack. It comes with the tripod stand also, but if you can see, the size of the panel is 5 inches by 3 inches. It's really small. It's a little bit bigger than a cell phone. Okay, we have another one here. It's another 2-pack about the same range price of $46.99, but the size of the light panel is 5.7 inches by 3.7 inches. This is just one light, one panel, and it's $41. And I didn't find the size of this one. So the buy factor for this 2-pack LED video light kit that I found about the same range price, $46.79, the size of the panel is 10 inches by 8 inches. So it's 2 panel lights, 2 tripods, and it has the factor that is between 2800 and 6500 bright. So this is the factor. That's why I bought this kit instead of the others in the same range. So that's the promise. That's the promise of this article. So this is the promise. That's blah blah. That's the promise of this product. So let's open the box. Okay. It came in a very nice box. It's really heavy. We find the panels right away, an Amazon's thank you card, pull this out because the box is really big. Okay. It came with a bag, a nice bag, and the two tripod stands with the two phone holders. But a tripod is a tripod, so I'm not gonna be reviewing this right now. I wanna focus on the light because that's the important thing. So this is one panel. The second panel, this is a leather sheet. That's why you can see the side of the lamp. So it's almost the side of the sheet paper, leather side. All right, let's open this. Okay. It came with a USB plug, which is not bad. This is the back. This is the brand, Nice Veedi. Power, 15 watts, 5 volts, and the lume is 1700. So, okay, let's plug this on the USB. Let's see how bright it is. Okay, it's off right there. Okay, this is the how the control. You can control the light on, off in here. Let's power on. Wow, that's really bright. It's supposed to have 3 different tones. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. I think I have more. You can go really light. Let's turn off these lights a minute. You can see is on. This is off. Now go up. Let's go up with the light. You can see how it changed. That's the top. So as you can see, it's really light. You can put it in here. On top, you can see the difference. This is off. This is on. Off. On. So I think it's perfect to make videos and put these lights in short distance. Let's test the other one. The same USB plug. Okay, power on. Sorry, power on. Power on the other one, right there. Yeah, it's really, really, really bright. You maybe cannot not see it in the video, but it's really bright. I can show you with something. Let's try with the let's try with my iPhone. Let's try with my headphones. As you can see, let's put these two panels right over here. Power off, power on. A little bit more distance. Power off, power off. I'm gonna turn on my lights. I think that for the money, $46, this is a good choice if you don't have the budget to buy a really big and professional key lights. And it's good choice for somebody that who's starting a YouTube channel, or is somebody who's starting with photography, or even for small projects. Is they're really good handling, and they're not heavy at all. They're really light because it's LED. And they came with the tripods. The tripod is 73 inches. It's a really good size. This the tripod have a really good size. Is built on metal. It's not plastic. I think this is bad force. Probably is the other way around. Yeah, it's the other way around. Wow. Okay. Let me see if you can see this. Yeah, the tripod looks it's really good build. Looks strong. So I think it's a really good value for $46. The light is it have a good size. It's bright enough. I could think about for 5 feet. Probably is a good bright. 5 feet on distance between the whatever you're doing. I hope this helped. You're gonna find the link to buy this on the description of this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.